Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious creme brulee. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including heavy cream, egg yolks, sugar, and a good vanilla extract. These are the foundation of a rich, creamy custard. Next, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, set up your water bath by placing your ramekins into a larger roasting pan, ready for baking. Now let's create that silky custard. Begin by gently warming your heavy cream with vanilla in a saucepan. Do not boil it. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they become pale and thick. This aeration is key. Then, slowly temper the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to prevent scrambling the eggs.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, if you're into meal prep, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link for them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your custard ready, carefully pour it into each ramekin. Now, gently add hot water to the larger baking dish, creating a water bath that helps the custards cook evenly and prevents cracking. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Afterward, chill them thoroughly for at least 4 hours. The final, satisfying step is creating that iconic crackable top. Just before serving, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the chilled custards. Then, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar, moving the flame constantly until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Let it cool for a minute or two, allowing that sugary shell to harden perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.